In today's digital age, a website is more than just an online brochure. It's a virtual storefront, a communication hub, and a powerful tool for connecting with the world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a creative professional, or a large organization, having a well-designed and developed website is crucial for success. This guide will take you through the essential steps of website design and development, providing you with the knowledge and insights to craft a compelling online presence. From understanding the basics of website design to delving into the intricacies of development, we'll explore the key principles and practices that will empower you to create a website that not only looks great, but also functions flawlessly. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to navigate the world of web design and development with confidence. So, whether you're looking to build a website from scratch or enhance an existing one, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential of crafting a captivating online presence that truly represents your brand and engages your target audience. Get ready to dive in and discover the exciting world of website design and development. Website design is the art of creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites. It's about more than just aesthetics. It's about crafting a seamless and enjoyable experience for your visitors. A well-designed website is not only visually engaging but also intuitive to navigate and easy to understand. One of the key elements of web design is layout. A well-structured layout guides visitors through your content in a logical and organized manner. Color palettes evoke emotions and create a visual identity for your brand. Typography, the art of arranging type, enhances readability and conveys your brand's personality. Graphics, such as images and illustrations, add visual interest and enhance the overall message of your website. User experience, UX design, focuses on the user's journey and aims to create a website that is easy to use, engaging, and enjoyable. By considering all of these elements, web designers create websites that are both visually stunning and highly effective in achieving their intended purpose. While web design focuses on the look and feel of a website, web development brings those designs to life. It involves using programming languages to create the website's functionality and interactivity. Web development can be broadly categorized into two main areas: front-end development and back-end development. Front-end development, also known as client-side development, deals with everything that users see and interact with directly on the website. This includes the website's layout, navigation, animations, and interactive elements. Front-end developers use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the user interface, UI, of the website. Back-end development, on the other hand, focuses on the server side of things. This includes the website's database, server logic, and user authentication. Back-end developers use languages like Python, Java, and Ruby to build the behind-the-scenes functionality that powers the website. Together, front-end and back-end developers work in harmony to create a seamless and functional website. Creating a website involves a systematic process that ensures a well-structured and successful outcome. Let's break down the key steps involved in building a website. First, planning. This initial phase involves defining your website's purpose, target audience, and goals. It's crucial to establish a clear vision for your website and outline its key features and functionalities. Second, wireframing. Wireframing is like creating a blueprint for your website. It involves sketching out the website's layout, navigation structure, and content placement. Wireframes serve as a visual guide for both designers and developers. Third, design. This stage involves transforming the wireframes into visually appealing designs. Designers use their creativity and expertise to select color palettes, typography, imagery, and other visual elements that align with the website's brand identity and target audience. And finally, development. Once the designs are finalized, developers bring the website to life by writing code. Front-end developers build the user interface, while back-end developers focus on the server-side logic and database integration.